Hello, hello again, and my name is Helm Smeshko, and it's good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and I'm the founder of HostMaria, and I'm the person who does video tutorials for you as well. So this is a short tutorial for all our members, or for all our users, our clients. You can define you as you wish. Of course, I see you as our users, and the topic is how you can cancel your hosting, and there are two approaches. So there are two main approaches. Okay, so the first things first, let me prepare the screen. Okay, so I'm taking off that one, that text is off, the screen is larger. So the first things first, we log into hostmaria.com. Bang, it opens fast, that's good. Now we can see once we are into HostMaria, we need to log in into your client account. So up here, I have an account prepared for you. It is demo@hostmaria.com. Remember me, login. Bangs, we are in. We can see that we have one service, and this is a hosting plan that expires on 23rd. So next year, November 19th, 2023. Just in case, if you are in the front page and you are logged in and you cannot find, hey, where is my dashboard? Go to Services, My Services. Bang. Once again, you are in. So now what we need to do, let me make the screen larger. You would click on this service, manage the product. Now you will see it opens like this. And up here, here's a button, Request Cancellation. Click on the button. And now there will be two different options. This is, you can put in any text, what you wish. You can leave it blank as well, and cancellation type. And there are two types. So the first one is immediate. So immediate means, please cancel my hosting right now. The second one is end of billing period. So it means, once again, we'll go back. I'll open it in the new tab. We can see that next due date will be November 19th, 2023. It means end of billing period. So it means that it will be cancelled. So the last day will be November 19th. On November 20th, your hosting account will be terminated. We just do this, click the button, and that's it. Thank you. Your cancellation request has been submitted. Okay, just in case, if you think, hey, I did a mistake, then please go and open a support ticket. And of course, it is all about the cloud hosting. So cloud hosting, and say, hey, my issue is this and that. Okay, and that was a very, very, very short, and where is the thing? This was a very short tutorial for you, how you can request the cancellation of your services. This is the preferred way. Of course, there are other ways. Just in case, if you are unable to log into your account, please send us an email. To support@hostmaria.com and ask us to cancel your services. That would be another one. Although about the emails, sometimes we get so much emails, not only many, much emails, and some emails can get lost. The best one is, of course, to use the tickets, but in the case, so support ticket system would be the best one. But emails in this case would be more important, as we need to verify that you are the owner of that particular hosting account before we confirm the cancellation of it. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and have a great day. Bye.